Hello everybody, here I am going to solve some questions of chapter atomic structure. So let's solve. The first question is, write the names of the elements present in the following compounds, and the first compound is given common salt. So means which are the elements present in common salt? So the answer is sodium and chlorine. Clear? So because the formula of common salt is what? NaCl. Therefore, which are the elements present here? Sodium and chlorine. Now, next is ammonia. In ammonia, which are the elements present? Nitrogen and hydrogen. Next is sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid, which are the elements present? Hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Do you know the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. Means hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Now, formula of ammonia is what? NH3, means nitrogen and hydrogen. Now, next is glucose. Which are the elements present here? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Clear? So, on the basis of this, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are the elements present in glucose. Means if you know the formula, you can easily write the elements present in the given compound. Now, next is sodium hydroxide. So, which are the elements present there? Sodium, hydrogen and oxygen. Formula of sodium hydroxide is what? NaOH. Okay. Acetic acid. Next is acetic acid. The formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Means which are the elements present here? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. Now, next question. What does each of the following represents? So, 2CO2. 2CO2 means what? 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. Next is 2H2S. 2H2S means 2 molecules of hydrogen sulfide. Okay. Now, next 5H2SO4. So, 5H2SO4 means what? H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. So, we can write 5 molecules of sulfuric acid. Then next is 6NaNO3 means 6 molecules of sodium nitrate. Okay. Now, next is write the symbol and valencies of the following radicals. So, magnesium. So, symbol of magnesium is, we can write like this, Mg 2 plus, and its valency is 2. Next is ammonium. Its what? Symbol is NH4 plus. Clear? So, plus you can write 1 or you cannot write. I have discussed in my previous video also that if 1 is there or if 1 is not there, means when no number is there means 1 is there. Okay, and the valency of ammonium is what? 1. Now, next is carbonate. So, CO3, clear? CO3. Carbonate is also radical. Okay, so carbonate is also radical, and carbonate is which type of radical? Acid radical. Clear? Acid radicals are also called as what? Anions. So, carbonate is CO3. Clear? And its valency is 2, not 1. Clear? Here it should be 2. So, valency also here, and here you can write 2 minus, means power you can give CO3 and then power 2 minus, and its valency will be what? 2. Now, next is here it is given very clearly. So, nitrate NO3 minus, nothing is written means what? 1. So, its valency is what? 1. Then nitrite NO2 minus, means this is acid radical. Minus sign indicates when in the power it is given minus, means this is which type of radical? Acid radical, and its valency is 1. Bisulfite 1. Bisulfate 1. Bicarbonate HCO3 minus, means it is acid radical and its valency is 1. Oxide O2, clear, and its valency is 2. Carbonate CO3 and its valency is what? 2. Clear? So many given here. So here hydroxide OH minus. Clear? When we talk about the hydroxide OH minus. Then the acetate. What is the formula of acetate? Clear? So formula of acetate is what? CS3COO minus. Nitrate NO3 minus. Means this is only the symbol of or you can say formula or symbol of the given radicals. Nitrite NO2 minus. Bisulfate HS4 minus. Okay. Then bicarbonate HCO3 minus, means valency is 1. Oxide O2 minus. Carbonate CO3 minus. Clear? So sometimes what happen? Sometimes this one will be given, clear, as a part of the question, and this you have to write as a part of the what? Answer. So like if you get question like CO3 2 minus, so you have to name this radical. So what is the name of this radical? Carbonate. SO4 2 minus. What is the name of this radical? Sulfate. SO3 2 minus. What is the name of this radical? Sulfite. Cr2O7 2 minus. What is the name of this radical? Dichromate. Clear? So question can come like this also, that formula is given. Clear? The symbol is given here and you have to write the name of the given radicals. Now next, name one ion for each of the valencies +1, +2 and +3. Means you have to give the example, and the answer is +1 sodium, +2 magnesium and +3 aluminium. Clear? So +1 is what? Sodium, +2 is magnesium and +3 is aluminium. So this is one example. Now the next question is, name one ion for each of the valencies. Means what are the valencies? -1, -2 and -3. So -1 chlorine, -2 oxide and -3 nitride. Clear? Means the valency of chlorine is what? -1, valency of oxide is -2 and valency of nitride is -3. Now next, write the names of the following compounds. So compounds given here and you have to write the names. So the first one is ammonium sulfate. Clear? This one is the first one. This is the first one, ammonium sulfate. Now next one is calcium nitrate. So this is calcium nitrate. Next is iron sulfide. Third, C is iron sulfide. Now D is sodium phosphate. You can see here Na3PO4. This is what? Sodium phosphate. Next, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide means what? NH4OH. Okay. Now CuCO3, copper carbonate. Okay. CuCO3. This is what? Copper carbonate. Now mercuric oxide. HgO is what? Mercuric oxide. ZnCl2. This is what? Zinc chloride. Next is ZnS. This is what? Zinc sulfide. And next is S2S. This is what? Hydrogen sulfide. Clear? Now write the molecular formulae of. Here you have to write the molecular formulae. The names are given and you have to write the formula. Here it is. I've done it here. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Clear? Then magnesium oxide MgO, calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, hydrogen chloride HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, iron sulfide FeS. Next is iron sulfate Fe2SO4 whole thrice. As I have written, same way you write. Don't change anything, neither the letter nor the number. Okay. Even bracket also, where I have given the bracket, please give the bracket. Nitric acid HNO3, calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 whole twice, Aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 whole thrice. Magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Okay. Now next question is the valency of sodium is 1. Clear? 1 I have not written by mistake, it is left here. So 1. Write the molecular formula for the following compounds of sodium. So remember the valency of sodium is 1. So sodium oxide, what it will be? Na2O. Sodium sulfate, it will be Na2SO4. Sodium carbonate, it will be Na2CO3. Okay. Then sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Clear? Next question. Give the group number of the following elements present in the periodic table. Like magnesium. So what is the group number of magnesium? 2A. Write like this as I have written in Roman form. Clear? Don't change the pattern. Don't change, means don't write in any other form. As I have written, please follow it. Carbon 4A, sulfur 6A, and neon 0. The group is what? 0 group. Next is an element belongs to group 5A. What would be its valency, and name two such elements? Here I have written here 5A. 5A I have written here, but actually it should be 5A. It should written like this, 5A. Clear? But this font was not available there, so I have written like this. But in exam or in exam paper or in book or wherever you write, you will get it like this in numeral form. Okay. Now the answer is two such elements are what? Nitrogen and phosphorus, and its valency is 3. Okay. Now next is an element belongs to group 2. Again 2 is written, I have written here, but it should be how, like this. Okay. What would be its valency, and write the formula of molecules of compounds it will form with elements in 5A, 6A and 7A group. Clear? So 5A, 6A, 7A, actually it should be 5A, then what? 6A, and then what? 7A. Clear? Now next. So here is the answer. Like what is the question? What would be its valency? An element belongs to group 2. So element belongs to group 2 is what? Magnesium. And write the formula of molecules of compounds it will form with elements in 5A. So 5A nitrogen is present, and when magnesium react with nitrogen it forms magnesium nitride, and the formula is Mg3N2. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, oxygen belongs to which group? 6A. So it will form MgO, magnesium oxide, and 7A chlorine is present, so MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Clear? Now fill in the blanks. The questions are here. Answer I have written here. Like atoms are neutral, then an ion with positive charge is called cations. Okay. An ion with negative charge is called what? Anions. Then fourth one is 2H2 means what? Means 2 molecules of hydrogen. Dash is a triatomic molecule, ozone. Metals have dash valency. Which valency? Positive valency. And chemical name of caustic soda is what? Sodium hydroxide. Okay. Now next, take the correct answer. The valency of iron in Fe2O3 is. So what will be the valency of iron here? 3. So here it will be 3. The valency of iron in Fe2O3 is 3. Which of the following has valency 4? Which one? Carbon. Okay. The sulfate radical is written as SO4 2 minus. What is the formula of calcium sulfate? So formula of calcium sulfate will be what? Ca. Here the question is what? The sulfate radical is written as SO4 2 minus. What is the formula of calcium sulfate? So CaSO4. This will be, because the valency of calcium is 2 and valency of SO4 is also 2. 2 it will be cancelled. So we have at last CaSO4. Which of the following exhibits variable valency? Of course it's very clear. Copper, cuprous and cupric. Next, state the term. the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element. So answer will be what? I have given the answer here, atomicity. Clear? Next is the symbolic representation of a molecule. Answer will be molecular formula. Next is a group of atoms that react as a single unit. Your answer will be radicals. The combining capacity of an element. Answer will be valency. And the last one, the tabular arrangement of elements in horizontal rows and vertical column. Answer will be periodic table. Clear? So this question can come as a state the term of for the following or give one word for the following. So like this you can write the answer. I hope each and every question has become very clear to all of you. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.